Hello, my name is Adrian. I'm from South Africa. We've been living in India for about 2 years now.
Hello, my name is Trini. I am from Mexico.
My wife and I, we were interested in getting more knowledge about photography, so I went on the internet and I found you. Our communication was very clear and we decided to come pay you a visit.
We was looking because we are interested to learn about the photography, and we look in internet and we find the IPA Academy. Okay.
So we decided to come to IPA and we've met the faculty members. First impression was very positive.
Teachers are very professional and they don't go to another topic if you are not understand the previous topic. For me, it's a very good experience.
Very knowledgeable people, very friendly people, and they seem to be very familiar in the sense of they were very comfortable with each other.
For me, I came here with a very poor knowledge about the photography, but the time that I am taking the class, for me is I understand more about the photography. Now I can say that I can take better picture, more professional. I am looking more details that before I was not looking. So for me, the teachers are very professional and the attention is personal and they have a lot of patience with me.
I have basic knowledge of photography, so I believe that within 2 or 3 days of attending the classes, my knowledge was double or even triple what I knew before. So very, very impressive.
Oh, I recommend it 100% because it has a very high equipment, the installation are very nice.
The academy is very good. It's got a lot of space, studio is well organized. I think the equipment that they have is of top level.
And I hope that with this knowledge I can start to take a more professional pictures in the future with more and more practice.
What I've seen so far, I would definitely recommend anybody else to come and pay a visit here and to make your first impressions. Thank you to IPA. I think this was a very interesting course. This was a very valuable course and I would recommend it to other people as well.